That's a cracker, right enough.
While I'm squeezing it there.
Is it a bite or is it a...
Well, I'm spots on, I've been squeezing it there. Just because I've been on the drink all at one squeezing it.
Kid. Stunning.
Loving it.